just got a package. What's up, y'all? Welcome back to another YouTube video. If you guys are new to Face Front House and Mommy Vlogs, please be sure to comment, like, and subscribe and join the fam. So in today's video, I am doing an unboxing and it's from a company called FEIERDUN. So before we start, y'all, like I said, comment, like, and subscribe. Smash the like button right here. So let's get into this unboxing. Before we do, I'm going to show you guys all the details. Okay, so this is the box here. It's kind of heavy, so I'm gonna unbox it, show you guys all the details about this package. So let me start getting to it. We just got a package. We just got a package.
We just got a letter. We just got a letter. We just got a letter. Wonder who it's from.
We just got a package. I'm just kidding. Okay, so in this package I received a vibration plate. So y'all know I'm still on my journey. I'm still exercising. I'm still trying to stay fit. I'm still trying to be healthy on my journey. So of course, this is a vibration workout plate to stay fit, okay? This is the manual that comes with it. It looks like this. So this is what it looks like inside. It looks like this. If you don't know, a vibration plate is for weight loss, okay? It improves muscle strength, it improves muscle tone, okay, for your lower body, okay? It also comes with some straps that you can also exercise your arms, your upper arms. So that's really a great benefit as well. It also gives you flexibility and it helps you balance with your body. And of course, it also helps you lose weight. So that's the great benefits of this, okay? It also increases circulation, okay? So that's another great benefit to have. So if you're into working out, this would be a great benefit for you. You can do this sitting down, working, under your desk, just relaxing in the house, watching a movie. How good can that get? If you just want to work out for about 30 minutes, hop on this vibration plate and just get busy into working out. So my son is going to show you guys what it do, honey. So let me just show you guys first. It comes with these ropes here. It comes with these ropes here, so you can, I believe, attach these onto the plate and work out just like this. Working out your arms, your upper body, you know, working out your arms, your upper body. So that's a great benefit. So we are going to attach this onto the plate. And then of course it comes with a remote control. So that's really great. And then this is the plug to connect it on. And of course you also get the batteries that go with. And this is what it looks like, y'all. Look how cool, look how sleek it is. Speed, lower speed. These are the programs. So let me just see. So we're about to get on here and just show you guys what it do. So let's go. Stop. So I'm gonna amp it up some. Okay guys, so we ready to 10. Grab yours today. Thank y'all so much for rocking with us. FEIERDUN, thank you so much for sending this out to us for this collaboration. We appreciate y'all so much. Peace and blessings. Comment, like, and subscribe. We'll see you on the next one. Bye.